Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're taking a look at the use and maintenance manual for the Benelli Nova pump action. This one is listing 12 gauge Nova and 20 gauge Nova. So here we are looking at the front cover. We'll just flip it over real quick and look at the back cover. Got our little flag there. This looks like to be from 2003, just for your reference, so things may have changed. In fact, if I quickly do a tangent, data subject to modifications without prior notice. So if you want current information, contact Benelli, get their contact information. So let's go ahead and take a quick look through here. And we start off with our contents. Again, I must stress, data subject to modifications without prior notice. As things change, they may make improvements to the document, improvements to the product, etc. That goes with a lot of items for purchase in many different fields, criteria. We've got our safety practices and our presentation. Thank you. Blah blah blah. Guarantee blurb. Assembly instructions when it comes out of the packaging. Assembly procedure. Quite a bit actually, with step-by-step color diagrams, loading procedures. Actual operation, going into the magazine stop button, which is a feature on the Nova. Looks like a little bit of disassembly. Pretty detailed how far they go. And assembly, of course, because what use is it if it's in pieces? These are very nice color diagrams, I must say. They're pretty helpful. We'll go through our maintenance section. Section on this, on page 22 of this edition. So again, depending on local restrictions and purposes for use of a Nova, there might be actual hunting restrictions. So always follow those. Otherwise, you will have issues with your local fish and game, wildlife associations, particularly legal aspects of that. That's a no-no. Then go into some ammunition usage, a little bit here on the buttstock cavity, and accessories of the optional recoil reduction device, which makes this a very smooth running machine. Extension tube for the magazine. You can see how long that spring is. It's quite amazing. Internal choke, using the tool. You can see here the right way and the wrong way. And use of the tool itself. And what types there are, of course. How to adjust the sights. Back sight. And areas for notes. So again, just a quick look at the use and maintenance manual for the Benelli Nova pump action, 12 gauge and 20 gauge. It's been another book review, media review. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tool type items. And we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.